Just take a little piece.
Santa, what do you got going on over there?
Show Daddy. Steak. Oh, no. Let me cut it. This is now his 5th piece of London broil. Here you go, bud.
Let's see, how fast can you crush those?
Take a sip. Okay. Wash it down.
You need the fork? I'm pretty sure that fork's only gonna slow you down.
I mean, when do I make him stop, hon?
What's over there? Oh, more steak? Alright, sit down. Sit down.
This is like the old 96er.
So what is this? Now like his 5th
This is like his
piece?
6th piece. I hope he doesn't get sick.
He's gonna start throwing up soon.
Okay, this is it. All done. After this, all done. Okay, that's it.
Go get it.
Go, bud. Go get your meat. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Dad. Need my fork.
It's only gonna slow you down, Dad.
Just use your hands, bud.
Just pick it up, dude.
Good job. Say steak. Say steak. Oh, you missed it. It's over here, bud. You're freaking my hand in there.
Yeah, really. I'd watch your fingers. Oh, yeah?
All right.
A little pat on the back for Mom will save you there.
That's good. No more. No more. We're all done. All done.
All done?
All done?
You ate a baby cow?
He made her up.
See ya.